Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Once again, today I am going to show you one new video which is based on 6 easy exercises which is removed our leg pain. So pain in any part of the leg is a common occurrence. Leg pains can occur for any reason, whether you are an athlete or an office worker. Leg pain can grip anyone. So leg pains can happen for a variety of reasons. Now I am going to show you some exercises in this video. These exercises for leg pain will help you to stretch your leg muscles, which improves blood flow and breaks muscle stiffness, as well as builds strength, which will gradually help you in leg pain relief. So let's do it. Exercise number 1, the seated forward bending hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your back straight, shoulders down, abs engaged and legs extend in front of you. Number 2, bend forward from the waist, reaching your hands towards your toes. Imagine reaching your chin towards your toes in front of you, not towards your legs. Keep your necks extended and tight and breathe deeply and hold for 10 to 30 seconds. The next exercise is calf stretch. Number 1, the stand in front of a wall and place your hand shoulder width apart against the wall at chest level. Put your left foot behind your right foot, gently flexing your right leg forward while maintaining your left knee aligned and the heel in contact with the floor. Number 2, now with your back straight, lean onto the wall, pushing your hips forward. When you feel a gentle stretch, hold it there for 20 seconds. Repeat with the other leg. Do this twice with each leg. The next exercise is Parvatasana, mountain pose. Raise the buttocks up. Let the two arms be on the floor and support the body weight. Lower the head between the arms. The body makes the shape of a triangle when observed from the sides. It looks like a mountain and hence the name. Hold this position at least 10 to 20 seconds. The next exercise is standing quad stretch. Number 1, stand tall, holding onto a chair or wall if required. Keep your feet hip width apart, your back straight and your feet parallel. Number 2, reach back and grab your left foot in your left hand, keeping your things lined up next to each other and left leg in line with the hip, not pulled back behind you. Breathe deeply and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat on opposite side. The next exercise is static lunge. Number 1, stand with all the muscles in your body tensed, your core tight, tighten your abdomen muscle and shoulder back up straight. Split and take your left leg back in a lunge starting positions. Number 2, lower yourself into as deep a lunge as you can without touching your bent knee to the ground. Ideally lower yourself until you are just inches above the ground. Hold the pose for 3 seconds and go back to the starting positions and do at least 5 repetitions with the same leg and repeat the same with other leg. The last exercise is ankle pumps. Number 1, sit or lie on the floor with legs extended. You can also do it while sitting on a chair in the office or anywhere. Pull the toes towards yourself and point them away from you. Push and pull your toes as far in either direction as you can. Repeat 10 times. Do this 2 to 3 times a day regularly.